Yeah, friends, based on the concepts that we have discussed in the earlier class, we'll try to solve the problems of this kind: tan 4 degrees and tan 43 degrees and tan 47 degrees, tan 86 degrees. How to solve this kind of problems? It's very difficult to find out the values of tan 4 degrees, 43 degrees, 47 degrees and 86 degrees. So we try to do this problem in this way. So it is like tan 4 degrees, so it is just write it as tan 4, and tan 43 just write it as tan 43, and tan 47 you write it as, friends, tan 90 minus 43. I write it as tan 90 minus 43, and I will write it as tan 90 minus 4 degrees, friends. So this is same thing, and tan 4 degrees I am copying, and this is tan 43 degrees I am copying. It's multiplication. It is multiplication. So whenever it is in the first quadrant, when tan the 90 minus theta, it is in the form of 90 minus theta, 47, simply 47, it is in the first quadrant. So first quadrant all are positive, and tan, it is in terms of 90, so it will become cot 43 it will become, and it is again 86 degrees, means it is in the first quadrant, so tan in terms of 90s will become cot 4 degrees, friends. So what it is, friends, tan 4 degrees, and we know that tan theta into cot theta is always 1, friends. So means if it is tan 20 cot 21, tan 30 cot 31, tan 45 cot 45 1. So here it is given tan 4 degrees, and here it is cot 4 degrees. Tan 4 degrees and cot 4 degrees will cancel, because cot is nothing but 1 by tan, it will become 1, and tan 43 degrees, cot 43 degrees will cancel, it will become 1. So the answer will be 1, friends. That is how we solve the problems. Yeah, again in terms of it is given cot 10 degrees, cot 10 degrees, cot 20 degrees, cot 30 degrees, cot 60, cot 70, cot 80. So we try to solve this problem in this way. Cot 10 you copy it as cot 10 only, and cot 20 you copy it as cot 20. It is cot 60 degrees, and it is you write it as cot 90 minus 20, and it is cot 90 minus 10, friends. So this is 80 degrees. 80 degrees means first quadrant, so cot it in terms of 90s, so it will become tan 10 degrees, and this will become first in the first quadrant, it is positive, so cot will become tan 10 degrees, and cot 60 degrees will be the same, and cot 20 degrees, and this is cot 10 degrees. So just now we have seen tan into cot, tan theta into cot theta is always 1, so cot 10 and tan 10 will cancel, this is 20, so tan 20 and cot 20 will cancel, so you will be left with only cot 60. So what is cot 60, friends? Tan 60 is nothing but root 3, cot 60 is nothing but 1 by root 3. So this is how you will be getting the answer, friends. This is very simple way to solve the problems. Yeah. So again in the same way you will be writing, see here what we need to do is, you need to find out the numbers. It is tan 1 degrees, it is tan 2 degrees, tan 3 degrees, so until tan 89 degrees it is given. So there are 89 numbers, so if you keep on writing, it will become tan 1 degree and tan 2 degree, and so on. Somewhere in the middle you will be getting tan 45 degree, and so on. You will be getting like tan 88 degree, tan 88 degree, and it is tan 88 degree, and it is tan 89 degree. This is how you will be getting, friends. See, friends, tan 1 degree, so it is always equal to tan 1 degree. In the same way, just now we have seen tan 89 will become cot 1 degree, and tan 88 will become cot 2 degrees. So here it is tan 2 degrees, and so on. Tan 45 will be the same, so it will not change because it is exact in the middle number. So keep on tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree is nothing but 1, cot 2 degrees into tan 2 degrees is nothing but 1. So here you will be getting, before this you will be getting 44 numbers, and after this you will be getting 44 numbers. These 44 numbers and these 44 numbers will be the reciprocal, so you will be left with only tan 45. So what is the answer for tan 45, friends? That is 1. Yeah. So again, if sine square 25 plus sine square 65 is given, this is one kind of problem asked in the exam. So you try to write it as it as sine square 25, means you write it as sine 90 minus 65 whole square. So this is nothing but sine square 90 minus 65 is nothing but 25, and you can write it as sine square 25 only. Sine square 65 only. So this is 90 minus 65 friends. So sine something in the first quadrant only, first quadrant it will become positive only, and sine 90 will become cos, so square it will become cos square 65 plus sine square 65. So in the first class we have seen that sine square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. So sine square same thing and cos square same thing, this is always 1. This is how you solve the problems. And try to go through the next problems if any problem. Yeah, it is given friends, sin phi theta is equal to cos 20. So in the earlier class we have seen sin phi theta is equal to something is given, sin and cos are equal, then if there is no angle, if the angle is not given, we can compare directly that when sin and cos are equal, we can say that angle is equal to 45 degrees. But here angle is mentioned friends, don't tell it, don't say it as phi theta is equal to 45 degrees, because here the angle is mentioned. So what you write is, try to write sine in terms of cos or cos in terms of sine. You try to make both the angles same. So we'll try to write it as sin phi theta is equal to, I'll write it as cos 90 minus 70, so that it will become cos 20. So this is first quadrant, 90 minus theta. So first quadrant cos is positive, but cos is written in terms of 90s, so it will become sin 70. So here it is given sin phi theta. So this is phi theta, here it is 70. So sin phi theta is equal to sin 70. So simply it is phi theta is nothing but 70 friends. So theta is nothing but what will happen? 70 by 5, that is nothing but 14. So what is asked friends? Theta is nothing but 14 degrees. So this is what asked. So that is how you need to answer the question. Then again the same thing is given, sin theta plus 18 degrees is equal to cos 60. Then what is the value of cos phi theta? It is been asked. So try to solve the problem. Sin theta plus 18, so and theta plus 18 it is, try to write cos in terms of sine, so that it will become cos 90 minus 30. So cos in terms of 90s it will become sine 30, it will become, here it will become sin theta plus 18. So theta sine something, here sine something, so these somethings are equal. So theta plus 18 is equal to 30. So theta will be equal to 30 minus 18 friends, 12. So what is asked us, what is the thing which is been asked? Cos phi theta, that is nothing but cos 5 into 12 friends, so it will become cos 60. What is the value of cos 60 friends? It is nothing but 1 by 2. This is how we need to answer the question. Yeah, we'll try to see if there is any problem. There is, yeah, there is no problem friend. That is what, that's the end of the topic. So hope you like the topic. Please subscribe VFocus classes. VFocus classes for more videos. We are teaching only for SSC CGL right now, and you'll be finding all the videos related to SSC CGL in VFocus classes channel. So if you have any queries, you can mail us at vfocusclasses@gmail.com, and have a nice day. Thank you.